Good morning, friends. Today is my last day in my USA trip.
The project is going in a very that's why the people are moving out from this location, and then they are buying a home in this location. Because compare than this, because they adapted for this higher amount. Now they are going for the lesser amount. They are thinking, okay, this is very cheap. We can buy it. Home also, many people are buying it from. Many people move to Texas because the climate wise everything
Texas
is
and that one, North Carolina.
mostly our people only there. This majorly people are migrating to these
Texas.
two locations. Texas is a peak.
Now we are going to visit Malibu Hindu Temple and Malibu Beach and Juma Beach. Before lunch and post lunch, we will start towards airport.
We'll finish. First, we'll go to the temple. We can finish it, and then we'll go to the Malibu beach.
Oh,
It's nearby.
okay. లాస్ ఏంజల్స్లో ఉన్న ఒక హిందూ టెంపుల్కి రావడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ శివుడు విష్ణువు ఇద్దరు కలిసిన దేవాలయం ఇది. జీన్స్ ఫిల్మ్ షూటింగ్ ఇదే టెంపుల్లో జరిగిందని చెప్పి ఇది మా ఫ్రెండ్ తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. కార్తీక్, హాయ్ కార్తీక్. అబ్సల్యూట్లీ నో షూస్ బియాండ్. ఓకే, మీరు నా వెనకాల గుడిని చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఈ గుడిలో వినాయకుడు కుమారస్వామితో కూడినటువంటి శివపార్వతుల ఆలయం ఇది. మన హిందూ టెంపుల్స్లో ఉన్నట్టుగా ఇక్కడ కూడా నో వీడియోగ్రఫీ, నో కెమెరా ఫోన్ అలౌడ్ ఇన్సైడ్. అందుకని లోపల షూటింగ్ తీయడం అవ్వలేదు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి. సో ఇదే కాంపౌండ్లో విష్ణుమూర్తి ఆలయం కూడా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆలయంలోకి వెళ్ళబోతున్నాం. The Malibu Hindu Temple, often referred to as the Venkateshwara Temple, is situated in the foothills of Santa Monica Mountains with stunning views of the surroundings. The temple's story begins in 1977 when the Hindu Temple Society of Southern California sought to establish a place of worship for the growing Hindu community in the Los Angeles area. After 2 years of searching, they acquired a 10-acre plot of land in Calabasas, offering panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Construction began in 1981, meticulously adhering to the Dravidian style of South Indian temple architecture. This style is characterized by its vibrant colors, intricate carvings, and towering gopurams called gateway towers. The temple is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, a revered Hindu deity also known as Balaji. He is considered as incarnation of Vishnu, the preserver god in the Hindu Trinity. The temple complex comprises two shrines. The upper one houses Lord Venkateshwara, while the lower one is dedicated to Lord Shiva, another prominent Hindu deity. జీన్స్ సినిమా షూటింగ్ ఇక్కడే జరిగింది. అంటే ఒక సాంగ్లో వచ్చిన షూటింగ్, ఒక సాంగ్ తీసిన ప్లేస్. Besides daily pujas and darshan, the temple hosts numerous festivals and cultural events throughout the year, drawing devotees from across the region. The Malibu Hindu Temple serves not only as a religious center, also as a vital hub for the Hindu community in the Southern California. It offers educational programs, language classes, and cultural activities to preserve and share Hindu relation with future generations. The temple's serene atmosphere and breathtaking surroundings also make it a popular destination for tourists and meditation enthusiasts. Here are some interesting facts about the Malibu Hindu Temple. It is the oldest Hindu temple in Los Angeles County. The temple complex is spread over 5 acres of land. The gopuram of the upper temple complex is 60 feet tall. The temple is home to a large collection of South Indian bronzes. The granite used to build the temple was imported from India. The temple has a traditional Kalyana Mandapam marriage hall that is available for weddings and other special events. The temple hosts an annual Ratha Yatra festival, a chariot procession celebrating Lord Jagannath. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తున్నది శివాలయము. ఇందాక శివాలయంలోకి వెళ్ళొచ్చాము. ఇది విష్ణు ఆలయం, కొద్దిగా హైట్లో ఉంది దానికన్నా. It's a place of peace and beauty, offering a unique opportunity to experience the essence of Hinduism. టెంపుల్కి వంక సైడు చిన్న రెస్టారెంట్ కూడా ఉంది. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్, టిప్స్ ఆర్ అప్రిషియేటెడ్. బాలాజీ క్యాంటీన్, చిన్న క్యాంటీన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. టిఫిన్స్ రైస్ అవైలబుల్.